Good morning, students, and very sorry that in the morning I was not audible for you. I tried my best, but I don't know what was happening. Uh, Neither you were audible for me, nor I was audible for you. So, through the video, I try to explain you, and we will do the worksheets. So you are going to I will try to explain you the worksheets through this video. So last class I have started describing words. I have given you the conception of describing word, the definitions, and I explained you little bit the types also, and I hope everyone among you have understand the describing words. So students, describing words are the words which are used to describe a noun or pronoun. Now you can see in this page, worksheet number 1, there are several images of different physically appeared boys. One is smiley, one is tall, one is very thin. Two boys are laughing. One boy is a little bit fat. And it is written. So what we have to do in this worksheet, we have to match the images with the written words. Now what are the words? A fat boy. So we are going to match it from here. Now two boys. It is written over here. A happy boy. You can see a boy is very smiley. So we'll match from here. Now next, a tall boy. It is here. A thin boy. It is here. Now what you have to observe, that you should observe about this word fat, two, happy, tall and thin. Now these words used to describe all these boy and boy. The boy is the naming word. Now first, in the left side, the dot words will show you about the adjective, and the boy is your noun. So when we used to talk about a fat boy, boy is your noun and fat is your adjective or describing word. So you can see here it is written, the words that describe or tell something about a naming word are called describing words. So now we'll move on the next page. So in worksheet here it is. So we are going to read and try to understand a little bit more about the adjectives. Now read the following. Aladdin was a poor boy. He lived in a small hut. One day he found a magic lamp. Now Aladdin was a poor boy. Aladdin is the name of a boy. You can see here Aladdin and boy. Both these words are your noun. Both these words are your noun. Now Aladdin is a proper noun, or you can say it is a special noun, and boy is a common noun. Again I'll try to explain you from here. See, when I used to talk about Aladdin, then Aladdin is your special noun, or it is called proper noun. Okay? Now, because it is a name of a particular person. And if I used to talk about boy again is a noun, but it used to relates with the whole class. So it is a common noun. Common noun. Now what is the word poor is here. Now among these both noun, poor, the word poor. Now you can see the circle word poor here. Poor boy. Now this word poor is describing Aladdin's condition, that he is poor. Aladdin is poor. So this is your adjective. What is poor? Poor is your adjective or describing word. Understand? Same, he lived in a small hut. See, again it is written here. Hut is a noun and it have been described by the word small heart. Heart? Which type of heart? Very small. It is describing you about the size of heart. Now, what kind of a heart? Small. So, small is an adjective here. One day he found a magic lamp. Lamp again is a noun. It is a noun. And magic. Magic is your describing word. So, the word poor, small and magic tells us something about the noun Aladdin, heart and lamp respectively. So these words are your adjectives. The words okay, a powerful genie lived inside the lamp. Genie is the noun, and which type of genie? Powerful. So powerful is here an adjective. Again, eyes, black eyes. Eyes are your noun, and black is the color of the eyes. So it is a describing word. So now describing words. Okay, now what is written? Describing words for adjective tells us what kind of, how many, which color, shape, etc. person, place or things are. Already we have discussed aloud about this, that adjectives used to describe about the size, the quantity, amount, number, color, shape and size. So these are the adjectives. Now read the following extract from A3 Dolphins and A2 the God of River of my English reader and underline the describing words. Dolphins are usually gentle. Now what you are going to do today as in your assignment, that you are going to do question number 3 of page number 24. It is your assignment. What you have to do in this? You have to just underline the describing words. So first I will help you. One, I will do it for you. Now what we have to do? Read the following extract from Dolphins and God of River and underline the describing words. So you will see here, number 8, dolphins are usually gentle. The character of dolphin is gentle. So the word gentle will be your, I am just circling here, you are going to underline it. Gentle is your describing words. But sometimes they got angry. When they are angry, they make loud clapping noise with their jaws. So dolphins are usually gentle. So gentle is here describing word. Okay, in the same statement you can see dolphins are often very helpful. So here helpful is again an describing words. So in this number 1, gentle and helpful will be your describing word. He was tall and fair and held a golden pot in his hand, but he looked sad. He was tall. Tall again is your describing word. Fair, describing word. Golden pot, describing word. But he looked sad. He looked sad. Now these are the words, are your describing words. Now what you are going to do? You are going to complete this worksheet on page number, I hope it is on 35. So we have done 24. Now what you are going to do? You are going to do it at your home. And worksheet number 24 in your practice, page number 24, question number 3 in your practice book. And now